Okay, so here's my stereo stuff I'm gonna do for my bicycle build. I don't know what any of this means. I bought it back when I used to do some car audio. So this is a MTX Audio Class D amp. It's got left and right input and output, speaker level input, gain, EQ, frequency, EBC, whatever that is. It's got 220 amps, battery remote ground, plus minus, and then this is probably the important stuff. So it's got 350 watt into 4 ohm, 250 watts times 1 into 2 ohms, 125 watt into 4 ohms, RMS power ratings at 12.5 volts, 20 hertz to 20, whatever that is, 20 hertz to 200 hertz. And the speaker, I have this older Sony Explode 1200 watt speaker, and it is there's a Sony Explode. It says XP L120P5W, frequency 20 hertz to 2500 hertz, 350 watt impedance, 4 ohms. In the box is a QLogic QLH, and it's got miter joints, 1.25 cubic feet times 1. I have no idea how to hook this up to get the most power out of that speaker without ruining it. It's going to be on a bicycle, so if anybody has any tips on what I should do with this for my bicycle, let me know.